If you have the Action 6 and you want to better protect your screen and your lenses, we have some really good ones here that are going to sit on and be shields for that lens, the front screen, and the back rear screen. It does come with some wet wipes and dry wipes, and then also a cloth to clean it off, and some dust absorption stickers. And yeah, it's very simple to install. So it basically kind of tells you to remove this one right here. And then that's going to be what's going to go against your screen, just like so. I mean, you can line this up a little bit better. The best thing about it is it's not permanent. So if you screw it up somehow, it's really easy to change. So you pop it on there, just like so. Get your little cloth, and you can kind of cloth out all of the air, any air bubbles that you might have. Now we just added like a little bit of thickness to that screen. This is going to be great. So if you do like hit something with it, it's going to be a good line of protection. But check this out. It still works with the touch, whether that's on there or not. So very simple to install. It adds that extra protection on there. You barely even know it's there. So for that, the front screen and the lens, highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.